posted online.
It's not fucking me up so I gotta sit right here.
Yeah.
There we go.
I found these though. Walking around and shit like that. I've been finding. I know how to. I've been getting pulling meteorites and shit out of the city.
I find a lot of cool ones by railroad
Really,
tracks.
I like a lot of meteorites and stuff like that. And like I know how to I've been like, these are all. This is a meteorite. This is one meteorite. That's like,
Oh, wow.
this part. And then this is another meteorite. These red ones, little pieces of red ones. That was one big meteorite that was orange and shit like that. And I broke it. And I heated them up, and they all turned red like that. And it's like but then I diamond tested them with like a thermal tester, and it was set going off for like they were diamonds or something like that. So that was getting news and shit. And then so I got I'm like kind of like I'm gonna probably take most of these. I mean, it's like I just keep polishing. So I think if I do that, then it might come out as a decent find or whatever. Check this out. This is a palisade. I didn't see that one. It's like these you hold up to the sun, or like you hold them up to a light, and
Can you
like
see into it?
no, like the light comes through it. Like it should shine. It should catch the light and shine through it. It's like it's hard to catch it. Oh, sorry. It's like if I can get it to work.
Yeah, that's cool though.
I don't know if I can get it to work, but it's like it's got peridot crystals in it. And basically, it's like different colors and shit. It's kind of cool. But I polished that last night. It works. It like glows and shit like that. But I don't have it on a string yet, so I can't do it very easily. I can't hold it to the light. It's too smooth. It rolls away. It's on my finger. It's the rarest kind of meteorite right there.